bad idea. This is a bad idea, everybody. Hey, don't do this. I think this is a bad idea.
Yeah. I'm about to get blasted in the face.
Oh God, this one? This way?
No.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at how old this one is. This one's almost old as Turner.
It's from the road show.
Ooh, yeah. From the Chicago Fair.
The antique road show.
Okay. So we were doing a test to see what PSI we need to fire Black Eyed Peas at. My face. For good luck.
Yeah.
And wealth.
Yeah. What is the maximum lucky velocity?
I don't like it. Oh, why are they warm?
Oh, that's what I was going to ask, is if you want to warm them up.
Why are they warm?
I want a cold green bean.
Oh.
Black Eyed Peas.
Black Eyed Peas.
Oh, don't.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
This is wrong.
I don't want no good luck. He called my bluff. I thought I was going to watch him. Like, he won't really do it. Oh yeah, he will. He'll just take his swig.
Oh.
That's better
I
than
even like Black Eyed Peas.
I know. I did until I
did
saw
a
that.
minute ago. Maybe that's why I got bad luck.
Oh boy. Okay, so they're pretty soft. I think we're gonna be all right, boys.
Well, I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna be back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Disperse in here real quick. And then now we need to put the beans in it. Let's put some beans in there. Oh yeah. Oh. Gross. Okay. Here. I guess it's the top one to shoot me.
Bean cannon.
All right. And oh God, am I still recording? In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you terrible, terrible machine. Okay. Ready?
Yep. Oh, yeah, that was too much.
I can tell by the recoil, like, nope.
Oh, I would have survived. But that was too much.
Yeah.
Might have had a bean or two in place. You might not have been able to get out.
It'd be more of a jackass clip than a
Yeah. So definitely at that distance for sure. Wow. Okay. Now I don't know.
You want water, paper towel?
I mean, just paper towels probably be fine.
Yeah, that's one of the other ways to have them.
Yeah, that stung. Okay. So what do y'all think?
I mean, it didn't have any trouble coming out.
Yeah.
I'd say drop it to 20.
20?
That was 38th when we stopped.
Yeah, probably over the last 3 pounds, so 35.
Yeah, I'd say drop it to 20.
Yeah, and obviously you'd be further back.
Yeah, they didn't disperse real wide either.
No.
No,
It doesn't.
90% of it hit his hand.
Yeah.
What happened to your friend? Oh, you know, I shot him in the face with some Black Eyed Peas.
He wanted good luck for the rest of the year.
Yeah. He had bad luck because it wasn't New Year's yet.
Oh.
Yeah, you got cap and glasses on.
That's a pea poncho now. Pea poncho.
Oh, look. I can't get through. It's stuck. Maybe it's like looking.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Man, this is scary. I don't like this at all. What are we doing? Hey, so do you have any New Year superstitions? Like if you eat greens, you might get money. Growing up, ours was Black Eyed Peas. Was yours Black Eyed Peas?
Mine's Black Eyed Peas.
Yours?
Black Eyed Peas.
Black Eyed Peas. Okay, so it must be regional. I don't know. But black-eyed peas, and so if you eat black-eyed peas, you like get rich for the new year. And so I decided I wanted to be rich, so we're gonna eat some black-eyed peas on New Year's. I guess here we go, everybody. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh no, that way. Down a little bit. Up just a little bit. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man, I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be rich. Look at this. Look at it. All right, so I think it worked. I got a mouthful of peas. I'm gonna eat them up. Boy. Good luck to you in your New Year's traditions. May you be as wealthy as us. Love you guys. Happy New Year.